about 3. You can hear it getting louder. Alright, so after we noticed that compressor was making a grinding noise, we looked in here, we noticed looked like some oil stains, and it looks like it's coming from the compressor. We don't have that 100% verified yet, but there's oil stains, and even when it was running, we could smell oil. Only from like this little standpoint right here, you could smell oil coming out. Alright, so old compressor is out, the new one is in place. We currently have the system on vacuum. We're running now. No crazy noises, everything is good. It's pulling out some heat now, so just got to get it charged up properly and we'll be good to go.